course, I misplaced my tripod again. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. Oh, those little tripods disappear all the time in this house. Alright, so she's got iron in her. I want to glue it down and throw a clear coat over it. And then we'll see the next step. And I need to find my tripod. Okay, then the idea was that, and I've messed this up, you can't really tell it's Alice's face. I need some more filings. I gotta go crack some more, make some more, because I don't have very many. But the idea was, you can't tell what it is right now, but if this had been done right, and the idea was sort of like a Magna doodle, and what would happen is the wax would melt and the filings would all gravitate towards the Alice magnet underneath, and it would have looked okay had I not messed it up. But it still wasn't as cool as I wanted, so I'm just gonna light something on fire anyway. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do that in the house since it's been raining for the last week or somewhere else. But anyway, I was playing around and it didn't work out, so I ditched it. Everybody knows I like to start things and goof off and never actually finish things. This is Nine-Tailed Fox, and I was going to make a video about that. I made him so small that he doesn't do much, but I kept him low poly and in the pose of the model that I downloaded, which was tricky. I shouldn't have done that. But anyway, his SCP-96 friend, I hadn't done anything SCP for a while. He was mostly finished, except I wanted to make him flexible all the way down in his joints, and haven't. Springtrap, I would have been better off just making it so I couldn't remove all his body padding, but it's all removable, and it just kind of snaps on and off like that, which makes it tricky. I'm gonna have to put some like maybe fish line in between the pieces so that they don't twist around too much, and it would be nice to also finish. I should have made him more flexible all the way through. And what was I going to say about King Dice? Oh yeah, King Dice and Springtrap. So Nicole, she did a little speed art, I will link to that, of King Trap. And she got the idea when I was playing around with these two guys. I just broke that off. Well, yeah. Well, that's because I wanted to do this so I could remove his mask as well, which is tricky because to get it over his ear, this doesn't quite, when it's got all the pieces on, doesn't quite work. So his mask can be removed, and this part can be removed as well, but I don't know how that's going to work out. Having all those pieces removed is really tricky, and it just would be easier just to make it all one solid model like they do on the ones that they sell. So that's all I got as an update right now. Not much else, just a bunch of projects that I probably will never actually finish. Here's some real time of the printer printing the Nine-Tailed Fox from SCP, one of the guys, and as you can see, it was kind of messy, and so it didn't make for a good video, but I did do it. Okay, so yes, the slicer retraction settings got all messed up when I switched from ABS to PLA. And I'll just hit it with hair dryer and get all that stringiness off of there. It's a little small, as you can see. He's very small. Still, it took a couple hours to print that. His P90, which is printed in black ABS, should fit on there. If I can get it in his. Now, I ordinarily would not have printed him in a posed position, but I was hoping to get a time lapse and make it something interesting, but it didn't work. I again, needed some other setup work before I tried to do that. So I'll try to finish him off and see what he looks like. Boy, I was going to say something negative about all the mess ups and the direction this channel's heading. But no! Positive, positive, positive. This is not forced positivity. I am very positive. I love everybody. I love YouTube. And doing videos is not natural to me. Editing is definitely not something I feel like I am progressing much with. And just need to get it all out of my mind.